I'm about to cook up an absolute feast because I've got a very special guest coming over to my house. I'm a bit nervous, kind of food royalty. First, let's get the ingredients. Welcome to my kitchen. I've got all of my ingredients and now it's time to start cooking for my very special guest. First up, my signature slow-cooked beef ragu. So last night before I went to sleep, I decided to put on a nice slow-cooked beef ragu. It smells so good. Every time I woke up in the middle of the night, I was like, I'm hungry. This has to be my favorite dish. I've got sugo in there, I've got cans of tomato, basil, I've got a really nice cut of beef chuck steak from Foodland. I put it all in, some onions. I covered it in a beef stock. You need that little bit of extra flavor. You don't want to just use the water, otherwise it'll be a bit bland. And I also crumbled over a little bit of a beef stock cube as well for that extra zing. 12 hours of slow-cooked beef. Oh my God, I could just eat it like this. But I'm actually gonna put it on pasta and I think my special guest will love this.